Hi there, I'm now in Nuuksio. This is Sultingträsk Lake and I'm going to do some environmental art today. Something new. I started with a big circle which is around this tree. So this is the outer circle and I have 4 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The inner circle and all circle have 21 markings. So when I start to do the actual drawing, I'm using every third. I start from here, not from there, not from there, but the next one, and so on. And I go 1, 2, so this is the way I go this direction. And another direction, I go from here to the next one, to the next one. So this is the way I go this direction. So now there are lines in both directions. Some lines, the corner points, are in the actual markings. Other corner points of the lines are without any actual markings anyway. Now I'm removing the original corner points because I don't need them anymore. Hello! The piece of art is now ready. Unfortunately it's sunny, so I must wait until it's cloudy, because on a cloudy weather the contrasts in the work will show better.